All right, you're not gonna believe this, but this is a handheld inkjet printer. Now, whose is this for? I'm gonna tell you who it is. Those that are shipping out many boxes, or maybe you want to have fast printouts. This is it. This is a handheld printer. If you guys notice, push the button, you roll it. Now, including with it, the instructions how to use it. Now you could transfer some of the information over from your computer to here. There's a USB. They give you the USB dongle too. They give you extra rubber mounts. These are actually for the wheels, right? Because they break off or something happens, or you're doing too many orders. This is perfect. Now it comes with a stylus too, right? So you could change and manipulate changes on the actual screen. Charging station, because look at this. If you think you have one battery, you could buy multiple batteries on it, and they start you off with ink to begin with. All right, so we're gonna test it out and show you how to turn it on and how to use it and how to change it. Right, addresses, names, maybe locations, or labels. You can make hundreds of different labels on any box. So we're gonna grab a box and label a box and make sure it goes all the way through, because that's where the see that, that's where the ink's gonna go. Right, lock in place. There it goes. I heard a little snap in there. So let's go ahead and do something. So turning it on first time. It says welcome to the printer. We're gonna 0018. That's pretty much what we want to do real quick. As a test. As a test, we are gonna print. So I want to say print. All right. Print, start printing. So you hit start printing, you hold down the button. Look at that. Simple. Again, I'm doing numbers. Look at that. It's incredible. Let's see if it could do through tape, all right? Oh, so you're gonna have to let this one dry, all right? So let's make changes to it, right? So stop it, start printing, all right? First image we're gonna go ahead and transfer. So let's go ahead and put the USB at a file, and then we could say image. All right, so we're gonna say image first, USB, and then we got USB from here. All right, it's a little too small if you guys can see, but you could change it. I have to change the size smaller so it could fit, because we just did a test and it cut off on the leg. So we're gonna say 150. All right, delete 150. So we're gonna go ahead and try this one right here. If you guys can see, I just changed the size. Start printing, and we're gonna do the side. Hold the button down, and there's Mickey right there. Look at that. Look at that. So like I said, we have Mickey in there. Hold the button down. Just hold it down and roll. But you gotta actually hit play first, all right? You can't just do it. So once you say roll, there's Mickey. Look at that. We could change the size of him too, but you got to make sure it fits this area, all right? So we're gonna do it again. And if the sound is annoying, you can always change it too. But look at that. Look at the fine color and print. It's a black and white only, but look at this. Did a great job on it. And just as a simple test. So labeling, you are not going to have an issue. You could set up a whole label and just send your addresses to anywhere you want. If you're a delivery or shipping company, this is perfect, you know. And if you want to label maybe things around your business, you can do that too. Just make sure that the rollers don't get dirty. You clean them up once in a while, and it should be lasting for a long time. So out of the box, it's very simple. Off and on button, USB to transfer files over to this system. Works great. So I hope you guys enjoy this video.